What's up, it's JB.
Hey, I'm Marvin.
Jls The Orage.
It's your boy Aston, and we are JLS.
That's
now,
right.
welcome, Zap viewers, to the famous boy band quiz.
Yes. I love a quiz about boy bands.
Well, we're a boy band. Here's a quiz, so I think we should probably get started. Boys, you ready?
Hold on. Can I pick my own buzzer?
Love that.
How about... Oh.
We like that. Okay.
I'll have super.
Okay. I'll have... Oh.
I like that one. That's
There
my
you go.
favourite one. I hope
Cool.
that one wins every time. Anyway, okay, boys, you ready?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, first question. In 2005, NSYNC's Lance Bass was famously denied the chance to fulfill his lifelong ambition.
Oh!
Go to space.
Jeez.
That is
Yes!
correct, Marvin.
Ah!
Yes!
No!
One
No!
nil to Marvin so far. Okay,
No!
question number 2. Michael Jackson was the uncle to which boy band?
No! What are you talking about?
Again.
He said super.
He
If I said
3T. My one just can't come in.
He's very correct.
No, you picked the worst one.
Okay, question 3. Scott J.
Super. 5.
Wow. Complete these lyrics. 'Cause tonight, baby, I wanna get freaky with you. Jackie. Jermaine.
Super. Jackson 5.
No.
Yes, I knew
I'm
you were
going
going
to
to
hold out
That's why I didn't rush
Marvin,
it.
Marvin and JB and Arisha, please.
That's why I did not rush it.
I'll start again. Jackie, Jermaine, Marlon, and Michael.
Tito.
Oh my God, Tito! You went right up to the
I'm just happy that
There it is, guys. There's the boy band group medley quiz thing,
Yeah.
whatever it was. Don't forget, our single is out on the 24th, so go out and get it, people. Oh, one more time.
24th.